During a routine checkpoint at Sadhu Para, police intercepted a goat-carrying vehicle with registration bearing DR01BZ0373 coming from Hathai Kotor. The driver fled the scene upon spotting the checkpoint. The vehicle was later recovered vandalized in the Dhuranta rubber forest. According to local sources, police intercepted a goat-carrying vehicle traveling from Hathai Kotor at the Sadhu Para Naga point. The driver fled the scene, but Champang Nagar outpost police and locals pursued the vehicle and later recovered at the Dhuranta rubber forest. The accused remains at large.
Actually, Kankabo Diponisimi do Diponisimi saying Bolmoran Hote, Borok Punkotu to like him. Katabue, Siniang Nakapoino, Sadhu Parawa, Tampono Sadhu Parawa, Borok Abono Kisa, O Nakapoino, Borok Tutaka, Tutaine, Gary of Pamsaran Kankabon, damage of Kanka. Got the damage someone visiting a flatting that tire bone. Come Hakano, young Pubazar Paine. Siniang Kaisas, now the young Gazan color play Paine, or young Paka. I've got to sing the pregnant Pabon, Hatanos, Bork Gariba, the bike bank of Pesado Paka.
Avocatinin got another.
I have got another around 1:30 to 2 o'clock. I'm talking in the Bishimona.
At all Malkunki, Punchico, Haida.
I have Punchicona.
Born Hote Kogitu Kanaboro.
Our some just Hanaman in Kankasino, some money in Kankabor, Bormoran, Kogiti family.
Bormoran. Kita book on Malkung ke bos agaman peka.
Abo hangkang kajas tahun kan Dhuranta by Barosondoro kan ikasaro labar bagan bolong bisingo man peka. Sung botong hangka police log login sung botong.
Or to sung kaje o Malkung batak o je sebai syukur kula zaman jagawo. Jaga ekdom komun. Abo ki bom hairokun kana.
Abo hangka actually sung mal mata ramane to kisa sung bahike kisa income claimant ka income no saborok amda hek khogiti phai ka obviously paran rokolog bo kisa jole jakana kisa breakdown khai kana ba sa sung
ke o Malkung buba gara rok ta buk bo jaga
amo ka sung semia Malkung no borok tire pump sarungai or borok khilek lang thangka ka borok lang malian bagai borok am hek
tap su jati manje khotana
tap kano phaya ko Malkung malik
Chini borok da je Malkung malik he noroktom
sin borok Khorang tongo ka gari bisingo sung to nokha nong maka to borok.
Champang Nagar outpost police have launched an investigation to apprehend absconding accused. Reported by Ashish and Raju Jamatia from Hathai Kotor, Chini Khorang.